Namaste everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of the Indian stock market. We'll explore the top sectors attracting investor attention and uncover the leading stocks within each. Think of this video as your starting point to understand the landscape of the Indian market. We'll discuss sectors poised for growth and the companies leading the charge. Get ready to take notes, because we're about to unlock some valuable insights. Let's begin. Let's kick things off with a sector that has been a true flag bearer of India's economic growth story: information technology, or IT. Giants like Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and HCL Technologies are global powerhouses. India offers a vast pool of skilled IT professionals, providing cost-effective solutions to global clients. These companies invest in innovation, upskilling their workforce, and staying ahead of the technology curve. The IT sector in India is resilient, adaptable, and poised for continued growth. Now, let's move on to another sector that's the bedrock of any economy: banking and financial services. Robust players like HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and State Bank of India have played a pivotal role in India's economic development. These banks drive financial inclusion, making banking services accessible to the masses. They focus on technology adoption and strong risk management practices. Venturing into fintech, digital payments, and wealth management, they cater to India's digitally savvy population. The banking and financial services sector promises stability and steady growth. From managing finances, let's shift our focus to a sector that's all about health and well-being: pharmaceuticals. India is often called the pharmacy of the world, producing affordable generic medicines. Companies like Sun Pharmaceuticals, Cipla, and Dr. Reddy's Laboratories invest heavily in research and development. This focus on R&D allows them to compete with global pharmaceutical giants. The Indian pharmaceutical sector, with its focus on affordability, innovation, and global reach, is an exciting space for investors. Now, let's talk about a sector that touches our lives every single day: consumer goods, or FMCG. Companies like Hindustan Unilever, HUL, ITC, and Nestlé India are household names. Their success lies in understanding the Indian consumer and their extensive distribution networks. As India's middle class grows, the demand for consumer goods is set to soar. The FMCG sector offers consistent revenue generation and strong growth potential. As the world transitions towards cleaner energy, India is at the forefront, and the renewable energy and power sector is transforming. Companies like Tata Power and Adani Green Energy are leading the charge with massive investments in solar and wind energy projects. India has set ambitious targets for renewable energy adoption, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The cost of solar and wind energy has decreased, making it a viable option. The renewable energy and power sector aligns with sustainability and offers long-term growth potential. The Indian automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation, driven by technological advancements and environmental concerns. Traditional automakers like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, and Mahindra dominate the market, but the excitement is in the electric vehicle (EV) space. These companies are investing heavily in developing electric cars and setting up charging infrastructure. The government supports EV adoption with incentives and ambitious targets. As battery technology improves and EV prices become competitive, expect a rapid shift towards electric mobility. From the roads, let's shift our attention to the foundations of our industries: metals and mining. This sector involves extracting and processing raw materials like iron ore, aluminum, and copper. Companies like Tata Steel, Hindalco, and Vedanta are major players with large-scale operations. The demand for metals is linked to economic growth, and as India continues its development, the demand for metals will rise. The metals and mining sector offers a potentially lucrative avenue for investors. The telecommunications sector has revolutionized communication in India, witnessing explosive growth. Companies like Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio have connected millions to the digital world. The competition has led to a dramatic drop in data prices and a surge in data consumption. Telecom companies are now venturing into digital payments, content streaming, and cloud services. The telecommunications sector offers exciting prospects for investors with constant innovation and expanding services. No discussion about India's growth story is complete without talking about infrastructure and real estate. Companies like Larsen & Toubro, L&T, and DLF are giants in this space. L&T has been instrumental in building iconic infrastructure projects, while DLF creates world-class residential and commercial spaces. The demand for infrastructure and real estate will increase as India urbanizes and invests in development. Investing in these sectors can be a good way to participate in India's long-term growth story. Finally, let's talk about a sector that's all about mitigating risk and providing financial security: insurance. Companies like HDFC Life Insurance and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance are major players in this sector. They leverage technology to make insurance more accessible and customer-friendly. Expanding their reach in smaller towns and rural areas, they tap into the vast uninsured population. The insurance sector in India is poised for significant growth as financial literacy improves and disposable incomes rise. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the top sectors and stocks in India that offer promising investment opportunities. Remember, these sectors are known for their long-term stability and growth potential. However, the market is dynamic, and economic conditions, government policies, and global trends can impact stock performance. Always do thorough research, understand the risks, and consider your financial goals and risk appetite. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey into the Indian stock market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful videos. Until next time, happy investing.